guys doing in here?
I'm playing.
You playing?
Yeah.
Did you guys have a sleepover 2 days in a row in our tents?
Yes.
There's your Kindle right there, Reese. In your tent.
Yeah. I found it in the living room.
Oh my goodness. So we got to put this all back all away and clean up. Be careful not to spill them, okay? Don't spill them. Yeah, you can take it out like this and then blow. Okay, blow right here. Blow this side. You got to hold. I'm trying to help you, dude. Here, stop. Oh, yay! No? So, anywho, I'm in the mood to do some major organizing and decluttering. I've actually been doing pretty good. I took the last bench seat out of my van the other day and filled it up. Hey, no fighting. All these blankets and clothes and toys and shoes, and it was a lot of stuff. So I took that all to food pantry type thing. So that felt amazing to get all that out of the house. So little by little, we will declutter. We will get things done. I'm actually really in the mood to paint. And I need to get this stuff outside painted still. But I want to redo my room. Right now, I'm in the mood to do my bedroom. No, not 5 seconds. 5 turns of blowing.
He did it.
Say, what up, YouTube?
Mom, you're melting the snowman's body.
Oh, no. Yeah. So one thing I have been working on this week, and I don't know why I didn't take video to do a montage, but I didn't. So I started redoing this dresser. It's like super old dresser. So I just have to put the top coat on it, and then set these handles are what was on there. They're not horrible, so I'm going to try to find some spray paint to spray paint them a different color. And I'll put these ones back on. And then I think this is going to either go in our bedroom or the guest bedroom. But I can see I missed a spot. And whoops! What is that? A moth? Did a moth poop on my dresser? Oh my gosh. So, anyways, yeah, pretty excited. It's gonna, at least from far away, I think it looks pretty good. I don't know. It's alright. Better than it was, that's for sure. So, I gotta get that finished up. Patches! Patches, what are you doing, kitty kitty? Hi, princess. Oh, stretchums. Stretchums. I don't know if I ever showed you guys. That's Patches. And then, don't mind the garage, sorry. That's Shadow. Kitty, 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 kitty. Look at them glowing eyes. They are 6 years old now. I can't believe it. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah, it's a good kitty. There's always something in our garage that we have left over. So this is titanium silver. So I'm going to try this. See what it looks like. And then I found all 3 of these white gloss paint primers. So I'm going to try the rocking chair out front. I'm going to see if I can paint it with this. They're not all full, so I'm not sure if it'll finish it up, but we'll see. So I'm going to start with the backs of them first, just to make sure that I will like the color. We'll come back out and check it in a little while. So this is the horribly god-awful chair and white table that needs some extra love. Hey, what up, yo? Boom. That just happened. Boom.
I'm little on my foot now.
Look at that pretty pinkish clouds up there.
I got mud all over my foot. It's uncomfortable.
Ew.
See, it's all mud.